Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, we will be looking at the Euro Yen. Right, so we know that the yen has been one of the worst performing currencies over the course of the last few weeks, and maybe perhaps there could be some intraday opportunities, right, to play the yen. So what I have here is actually a very nice setup on the intraday for Euro Yen, and I really just want to focus on this recent price action area. Right, we see that price made a low, and then it made a high, and then it made a lower high. I mean a higher low, and then it made a higher high. It made a higher low, and then it made a higher high. Right, and if we were to connect all the lows together, right, just connecting all the lows, right, we can see that price clearly is on an uptrend. Now, using the last leg where price made a low here and a high here, we can use a retracement. So let's use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the low to the high open off Fibonacci ratios. We see that the ascending trendline support is in line with the 7860 level. Right, so we can highlight the 7860. I am going to put a support level over here. Alright, and of course, if price really were to hold above this ascending trend line, right, then we can play the bounce reaction at least to the recent swing high. Okay, so we have our target over here, and this will be the resistance. Alright, so it seems like a very straightforward, clear-cut trade to take. Price is holding above ascending trendline support and above 78.6 retracement level. So let's go down to the 1 hour just to see whether we can further fine-tune this strategy. So I want to watch this area here. I'm going to zoom in a bit, and we really want to look at the trend line. We're going to adjust the trend line. It's okay to cut the wicks, but let's not cut the body. Okay, we also see price making sort of a zigzag push down. So let's use the Fibonacci extension tool. Alright, open off Fibonacci ratios, and we see that price is also testing the 7860 level. Alright, so we definitely find Fibonacci confluence at this level over here. Okay, so I'm thinking price could actually come down, push down to test the ascending trendline support before making a bounce up. So of course, this is our long-term profit target. Okay, and if we were to take a retracement from the recent high to where price currently is now, and open all Fibonacci ratios, okay, we see that this is really a very strong support zone, right? Even the negative 27.2 is actually holding in this area. Okay, so the 38.2 is at this graphical overlap level. Alright, so what we can actually do, alright, so I'm just going to highlight the 38 and negative 27.2. Okay, so what we can do is actually to have our stop loss backed up somewhere over here. Okay, so this can be our stop loss. Alright, I can have my buy entry at the trend line level. Alright, and of course I have two possible take profit level. This will be the partial take profit, and this will be our full take profit. Alright, so this works out to be a very nice trade. Last but not least, we can actually put in what you call technical indicators. So we have stochastics. We can see that if we were to just give a bit more room for stochastics using 21 and just looking at slow stochastics, now we can see that stochastics is actually testing the support level. Okay, I'll just put the support level here and make this intermediate support. Now every time stochastics comes and tests intermediate support, there is always a price bounce. You can see over here, right? Price comes back here, holds here, and there's a small bounce. Price tests this area and there's a bounce, and now price is testing this area. There should be a bounce. Price is coming back to test the area. We should see a bigger bounce. Alright, at the same time, okay, we can also put in moving average. Okay, the moving average will actually work nicer on the bigger time frame. Okay, as long as, if I were to zoom out a bit for you guys, you can see that when price is above the moving average, okay, price actually tests the moving average multiple times very nicely, right? It extends a bit more, but it always holds, right? Extends a bit more, but it always holds on an uptrend. Okay, so we can expect price to again test the 4-hour moving average. I'm just going to zoom in on the 1 hour just to make things clearer for you guys. Alright, again, the take profit here falls in line with the moving average resistance, so this is definitely a good bounce to play as well. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. I hope this trade of the day for Euro Yen has been an informative one for you guys and an educational one as well. Alright, always be careful when checking your key price levels. Until the next time, take care and I'll catch you guys again.